Hey future you, this is Gemini, day 5 of Seoul, South Korea. The funny thing about studying abroad is that you often forget that you're not just exploring and traveling, visiting a new country, you also have daily life as well. So, for example, my laptop broke a few days after arriving in Seoul and a few days before classes. So, that was definitely quite worrisome, but I'm really grateful I was able to get it resolved. After this, we headed over to the Lotte department store to look for a big puffy jacket because it is quite cold in Korea and hopefully it should turn warmer soon. But as we were looking, we got lost along the way. We found this adorable cacao friend store and we headed inside. There were so many cute plushies and honestly so many different items I didn't even know existed that they put out for sale that were very cute. But we luckily escaped and were able to walk around Myeongdong a little bit more in hopes of finding that jacket. So we found Spao. It's actually a Japanese brand and they have a lot of winter styles, which was really nice. So we were able to pick up our puffy jacket. Spoiler, we ended up returning it and getting a different one later. But we grabbed some snacks and then headed out for some other quick errands. For example, bought a Laneige lip balm, and then we were quite hungry at this point, so we tried out a new sweet potato snack that they were selling outside. It was really yummy, and then after that we decided to have one of our favorite street foods in Korea, which is these little red bean almost waffles that are shaped like a fish. They're so adorable and they taste so good. And then afterward we went to the Shinsegae department store, which is a large department store in Korea, and on the bottom floor you'll be able to find a lot of really wonderful bakeries. There's also just random different food stalls they have, which really nice fresh food. So we got these fresh vegetable wraps and we enjoyed them outside before we decided to head back home on the bus. So once we came back to our apartment, we were honestly quite exhausted from our day in Myeongdong, and we decided to just take some rest and have some snacks at home. So we got these wonderful peach cognac jellies that are just so much fun to munch on. We also got some sweet potato chips that are sort of like dried and a little bit gummy, which is kind of weird to say. And then we also got some water because we've been quite dehydrated and we wanted to stock up on some more in our refrigerator. We love to organize our snacks, so we did that next inside our little, we like to call it like our K-drama closet because it's a bunch of snacks that we love to enjoy while watching K-dramas. After that, we watched some Boys Planet because it was on TV, and we also had some of our snacks. So we had the sweet potato and also this melon milk, which was pretty good. Our throats were quite sore from the cold, and our host was kind enough to leave some tea, so we enjoyed it in this really adorable Korea mug. But afterwards we got dressed up and we headed out to Gangnam to have a nice dinner. This place was so beautiful and many people had come to celebrate birthdays or just hang out with friends. We actually ordered one of their most popular menu items, which was this fried chicken basket, and trust me, we finished all of it. It was delicious. But we headed home, saw the skyline, and just felt so happy that we're feeling more settled in Seoul and just really excited for the next few days to come and also for classes to start. So wish us good luck.